All right, let's just jump right in. We're going to talk about 17 real ways you can actually make money using ChatGPT. And here's the best part. You don't need any tech skills at all.
Ever felt like starting an online business is just way too hard? For the longest time, it pretty much was. You know the drill, right? People thought you needed a ton of skills, a huge budget, or this massive online following just to even have a chance. It was like this exclusive club you couldn't get into. Well, that was the old way. The game has totally changed. Now, with AI, all you really need to get started is an idea. Seriously, all those old barriers, needing to code, find investors, build a huge following, they're just crumbling. And honestly, that's incredibly exciting. We are smack in the middle of what you could call an AI gold rush. I mean it. These new tools are opening up doors and creating opportunities that just a few years ago were completely out of reach, especially for freelancers, creators, really for anyone who just wants to build something for themselves. So, where does ChatGPT fit into all this? Look, it's not some scary, complicated piece of tech. The best way to think of it is like your new creative partner. It's like having a 24/7 assistant who's always ready to help you brainstorm, write, and plan out pretty much anything you can dream up. It's your writer when you need a blog post. It's your strategist when you need a business idea. It's your creator from making digital products. Basically, it's the tool that lets you skip the business degree and just get straight to the good part, building. Okay, let's get to the good stuff, the heart of it all. We are going to break down 17, yes, 17 different ways you can start earning. No fluff, no theory, just the exact blueprint. First up, let's talk about content and creation. This is probably the easiest place for anyone to start. I mean, think about it. Every single business needs content. You could start freelance writing, right? Use ChatGPT to draft blog posts or ads in like half the time. Or maybe you offer a really specific service like writing YouTube scripts for creators. You could even take on a client's entire social media plan. In every single one of these, ChatGPT is your secret weapon, letting you produce amazing content so much faster. Okay, next up, digital products. Now this is a total game changer. Why? Because instead of trading your time for money, you create something once and you can sell it over and over and over again. Just look at these ideas. We're talking about things like ebooks, simple online courses, or even cool templates you can sell on places like Etsy. You use ChatGPT to help create the thing and boom, it can bring in passive income for months or maybe even years to come. And the third big area, it's all about using platforms that are already out there. You don't have to reinvent the wheel. You could create these super specific gigs on Fiverr, like writing SEO descriptions, or build a small affiliate website that gets traffic from places like Reddit and Quora. You could even build a simple no-code app. And no-code just means you don't have to be a programmer. You're basically plugging your AI-powered service into a marketplace where millions of people are already hanging out. Okay, I know what you might be thinking. This all sounds great in theory, but does this stuff actually work? You bet it does. Let's look at some real people who are already making this happen. $10,000 a month. Just think about that for a second. For most people, that's life-changing money. And this was earned by a freelance writer who just decided to embrace AI. Let's break down how they did it. So here's the key takeaway. They didn't magically invent more hours in the day. They used ChatGPT to become way more efficient. By getting help drafting articles and brainstorming, they could handle double the clients. It's simple math, right? More output meant more revenue. This isn't a story about hustling harder. It's about working smarter. And check this out for how fast you can actually move. Another person went from just an idea to a published ebook in only 30 days. Here's how. Step 1, they used AI to brainstorm and create the outline. Step 2, they used it to draft the chapters. And then, step 3, they put their human touch on it, editing and formatting. Step 4, publish and sell it online. That's a process anyone can follow, and it is so powerful. All right, so we've covered the what and the why. Now let's get to the most important part, the how. How can you take that first step, like today, without feeling totally overwhelmed? Listen up, because this next part might be the single most important thing you hear today. The biggest mistake people make is trying to do everything all at once. You get stuck in analysis paralysis. So here's the secret. Pick one, just one of the methods we talked about, whichever one sounds the most exciting to you, and focus only on that. Start small, get that first little win under your belt, and then build momentum from there. And the great news is, you don't have to build any of this from scratch. These platforms right here, they're your launchpad. You can use Gumroad to sell your digital stuff, Canva is perfect for all your design needs, Fiverr or Upwork are packed with clients, and Amazon KDP makes it super simple to self-publish an ebook. They're all designed for beginners to get you up and running fast. So, it all comes down to this. After everything we've gone through, from content creation to digital products to client services, which one of these sparks something for you? Which income stream are you going to start today? If you're ready to stop thinking and start doing, your next step is right here. If you want a full, step-by-step guide to get to your first $5,000 a month, just visit homebizsimple.com and join the free masterclass. It'll walk you through everything. Thanks so much for watching.